All right, so for this composite problem, we are removing a prism from a cylinder. So this time we're going to be subtracting, but we're, again, not having to do as many complicated steps as if we were doing surface area. So I'm going to take the volume of the cylinder, and I'm going to subtract the volume of the prism. And it's a square prism. Not a square like cube, but a square prism. The bases are squares. And so to start things off, via the cylinder, so we're going to take the area of the base. We have a radius of 3. This goes all the way to the edge of the circle. So that's our radius. So pi radius squared times the height of our cylinder, which is 5. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So our volume of our cylinder is 45 pi cubic centimeters. And I'm going to leave it as that for now, because you never know. I might ask you for something in terms of pi or rounded. So keep the pi until the last second, please. And then we are going to take the prism, volume of the prism. And I have a square base, but I don't have any of the side lengths. So I'm going to pop that square out and put it down at the bottom just so we can see it without all of the stuff from the cylinder kind of getting in the way. So I'm trying to find a side length. We do know that from the center to the corner is 3. So that would mean from the center to another corner would also be 3. And since this is a square, that would be perpendicular. That would be a right angle. And so now we have a 45, 45, 90. So the side length of our square is s root 2. So s 3, 3, 3 root 2. So your side is 3 root 2. So for the area of our base, we take 3 root 2 times 3 root 2. That's the area of our base. And then we're going to multiply that to the height of our prism, which is the same as the height of our cylinder, which was 5. Now 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 is going to give us 18 times 5, which is 90. So now I'm going to set this up as subtracting these two pieces of information. So I'm going to take 45 pi minus 90 centimeters cubed. And so if I'm asking for your answer in terms of pi, this would be your final answer. If I asked for you to round it, so this in terms of pi, and if I asked for you to round it, 45 pi minus 90 gives us 84.823 centimeters cubed. Okay, and that's all she wrote, guys. Talk to you later.